When looking for the right scanner system for your operations, durability, range, and intelligent management are key factors to consider. In this video, we'll show you how the Zebra 3600 Ultra Rugged Series meets those requirements. Built on Prism Intelligent Imaging technology, the 3600 series isn't just a laser, it's a sophisticated sensor capable of capturing 1D and 2D barcodes in almost any condition. When looking at specialized models, the DS3600 HD is optimized for high-density 2mm codes common in electronics. The DS3600 XR features advanced green laser technology, allowing workers to scan from 2 inches to as far as 100 feet and can be used indoors and outdoors. For the manufacturing floor, the DP model captures direct part marks, including laser etch and chemical etch with ease. When paired with Zebra's Power Precision Plus battery, you get 50% more capacity than competitive models, which can provide over 100,000 scans per charge. You also get real-time data on battery health, including cycle counts and total life percentages, so you can swap out aging batteries before they cause a mid-shift shutdown. In terms of durability, these units are built to withstand a 10-foot or 3-meter drop to concrete. They are tested for 7,500 tumbles, ensuring they survive the daily accidents of a high-volume facility. The ceiling is rated for IP65 and IP68, meaning this series is completely dust-tight and can be submerged in water for up to 30 minutes. It's also the only scanner series in its class to offer an IP65 rated cradle, ensuring the entire system is protected against moisture and debris. Integration is seamless via Zebra's 123 Scan utility and scanner management service. You can remotely configure devices, update firmware, and monitor stats across a global fleet without ever touching the hardware. The series also features a virtual tether to alert workers if the scanner is misplaced, too far from its base, or needs to be charged. With all these features, the Zebra 3600 series is a primary fit for manufacturing, aerospace, automotive, warehousing and distribution, transportation and logistics, electronics, and food and beverage. If you want to learn more about this line of scanners, please contact your local ES&E account manager or automation specialist.